In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to create board rule automations in Trello so you can save time, reduce manual work, and keep your projects moving automatically. If you're using Trello to manage tasks, teams, or personal projects, automations can completely transform how your board works. Make sure to stick around until the end so you can see the automation in action. And if this video helps you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more simple and practical Trello tutorials. Let's get started. First, open Trello and go to the board where you want to create the automation. This can be any board you're currently working on. Once you're inside the board, look toward the top right area and click on Automation. This is where Trello's built-in automation tool, powered by Butler, lives. After clicking Automation, select Rules. Rules allow you to create trigger and action workflows. In simple terms, when something happens, Trello will automatically do something for you. For example, when a card is added to a specific list, Trello can automatically move it to another list. Now click on Create Automation. This will open the Rule Builder, where we'll define our trigger and action. The first step is to click on plus Add Trigger. The trigger is the event that starts the automation. You'll now choose what should happen to activate the rule. For this example, select a trigger related to cards being added to a list. After selecting the trigger type, you'll need to add specific information, such as the name of the list. Choose the list you want the automation to monitor. For example, you might choose the to-do list. Click on the list to confirm your selection. If Trello asks for any additional details, such as filtering conditions or specific criteria, go ahead and fill those in. Once everything looks correct, click the plus icon to confirm the trigger. Now it's time to define the action. Click on the plus icon to add an action. This is what Trello will automatically do after the trigger occurs. For this example, choose the action to move the card to another list, such as Doing. Select the destination list carefully to make sure it matches your workflow. You can stack multiple actions if you want, such as adding a label, assigning a member, or setting a due date, but for now we'll keep it simple. Once you've finished setting up the trigger and the action, click Save. Your automation rule is now created. You'll be taken back to the Rules panel where you can see your new automation listed. From here, you can enable or disable the automation using the toggle switch. Make sure it's enabled if you want it to run. If you ever need to edit it, you can click back into the rule and adjust the trigger or action at any time. After confirming it's enabled, close the automation panel to return to your board. Now let's test it to see it working in real time. Go to the list you selected as your trigger list, for example, the to-do list, and click Add a Card. Type in a name for the new card and press Enter to create it. As soon as the card is added, you should immediately see it move automatically to the Doing list. That's your board rule automation working perfectly. No dragging, no manual updates, everything happens instantly based on the rule you created. And that's how you create board rule automations in Trello. By combining triggers and actions, you can automate repetitive tasks, improve team consistency, and make your boards much more powerful. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more Trello tips and productivity guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.